Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find cars on sale near me on Facebook Marketplace. Go ahead and open the Facebook app. Once open, tap on the Marketplace icon at the top of your screen. Tap on Categories and tap on Vehicle. Here you want to tap on your location and then refine your location. You can select Suggested Radius, which shows you listing from a general area, or a custom radius, which shows you listing within a specific distance. If you choose to use the custom radius, it will refine it to a specific area. You can also adjust the distance to find cars even closer to you. Tap on Apply once you're done making all changes, and you can go through all the list of cars that are available within that area. On PC, tap on the Marketplace at the top of your screen. Scroll on the sidebar and tap on Vehicles. Under Filter, tap on your location, and you can adjust the setting in this section. Once you're done, tap on Apply, and you'll find cars that are near you. So thank you for watching this video on how to find cars on sale near me on Facebook Marketplace, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.